Good morning, pupils. The lesson fraction and decimal, chapter number 2 and exercise number 2.2. The question number first, match the appropriate product with the diagrams. This is a diagram and this is a diagram. The diagram has 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One part is shaded, so it's called 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And this is called also 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is shaded. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 2. The right answer is this. The right answer is this, B. So this is right answer is this. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part. This figure have 5 parts and this figure have 5 parts and this figure have 5 parts. 3 parts are shaded in this figure. So 3 upon 5. And this is also 3 upon 5 and this is also 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 into 3. So the right answer is C. And the question number 3. A figure have 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. One part is not shaded. It is called 3 upon 4. It is called 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. 3 parts are shaded, 1, 2, 3 and total part of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 upon 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3. It means 3. So 3 upon 4 into 3. The right answer is A. The right answer is A. And the question number 2. Show the following figures in terms of multiplication. It means this figure have 1, 2, 3 parts. One part is shaded. One part is shaded and it is also one part is shaded and have 3 parts. It means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. It means 1 upon 3 into 2. 1 upon 3 into 1 and 2. 2. It means the one part and one part, 2 part, 2 upon 3. So 1 part and 2 part are shaded. A total part of 3. It means 2 upon 3. 2 1 ja 2 and 3 1 ja 3. It is called the 2 upon 3. It is the 1 upon 2. This is called 1 upon 2 and this is called 1 upon 2. Each figure have 2 parts. One part is shaded. So 1 upon 2 into 2 parts. So this is called 2 by 2. It means 1. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. It is 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Then next the question number 3rd of the second is this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. This is shaded by 3 by. 3 is shaded and total part of 4, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. The total parts of 3 by 4 into 1, 2, 3. 3. It means 3 3 are 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 upon 4. It means 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 2 is the complete number and remaining 1 upon 4. 2 is complete and 1 upon 4 is the fraction. So it is answer is 2 and 1/4 is answer. The question number third. The third question, multiply and express in the simplest form. Question number third, multiply and express as in the simplest form. In the simplest form. The question number first. Question number first. Add into 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. The second is 2 upon 3 into 4. The third is 5 upon 2 upon 6. 5 upon 2 into 6. The fourth is 15 into 3 upon 5. The fifth is 20 into 2 upon 3, and sixth is the 18 into 1 upon 9, and seventh is the 2 upon 3 into 6 upon 7 8 into 3 upon 5. Question number first. Solution. Solutions is equal to 8 upon 1 into 3 upon 5. If we multiply the two fractions, then the product of numerator upon the product of denominator. The product of numerator is 8 3 ja 24 and 5 1 ja 5. Then we divided 24 by 5, then 5 4 ja 20 and 4 is remaining, 4 upon 5. Answer. We write 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 1, then product of the numerator upon product of the denominator. 4 2 ja 8 upon 3, 3 2 ja 6, remaining 2 upon 3. Answer. 8 divided by 3, 3 2 ja 6, remaining 2, then the other 3 2 upon 3. Next, 5 upon 2 into 6 upon 1. It means 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. 5 3 ja 15 upon 1, 1 1 ja 1, equal to 15. Answer. And next, 15 upon 1 into 3 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9 upon 1 1 ja 1 equal to 9. Answer that 20 into 2 upon 3 upon 1, 22 ja 40 upon 3. Then the 3 1 ja 3 and 1 10, 3 3 ja 9, 1 remaining and 3. Answer 40 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3 minus remaining 1 carry 0, 3 3 ja 9 minus 1 and equal to 13, 1 upon 3. Answer. And the next 18 into 1 upon 9. 18 into 1 upon 9, 1. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. It means 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1 equal to 2. Answer. And this is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction 3 2 ja 6, 6 and 2 8. 8 upon 3 into 6 upon the 7. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. 8 2 ja 16 upon 7 1 ja 7. 7 2 ja 14, remaining 2, 2 upon 7. Answer 16 divided by 7, 7 2 ja 14 minus 2, 2 upon 7. Answer. This is the question number 3rd. And okay, thank you.